Yeah, so I'm just waiting for others to join the session. Fine, maybe we don't have any trouble now to resume the things. And meanwhile, others are joining us. Venkat Reddy, am I audible now? Fine. Okay, we're already done with this. Few questions. We are just waiting for your friends to join. Okay. So I hope everyone is there. We discussed few questions already. Fine. Okay. Let's go for the next one, my dear friends. A and B never sit together up to this part. Okay. Now let's focus on this. Three must never come. Three never comes. You just try to think about this question now. How many four-digit numbers can be formed by the digits 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, such that 3 must come, 3 never comes, 3 will be first digit, 3 must be there but not as first digit. Yes, 3 must come, 3 must be there, but 3 may be in unit first place or 3's place or this place. So 3 can be four ways. We can place 3 in 4 places. It may be here, it may be here, or it may be here, or it may be here. And then what about remaining? Okay, 3 places. We have 5 numbers to fill remaining 3 places. So 5 into 4 into 3. This is into 4. You just observe what is happening, guys. So hope you got 240. Agreed option A is 240. It's not 360, Shalini. Okay, 3 can be placed in 4 positions. It may be in hundreds, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, units place, like that. Then 4. Okay, then remaining 3 places, we have 5 digits. We can say 5p3. This is nothing but called 5p3. 5p3 we can call. Yeah, 5p3 into 4. Perfect. Whereas next one, 3 never comes. Go with option B, 3 never comes, they mention. If you don't want 3, this 4 places should be filled by this 5. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Hope you got 120. Or else 5p4. Using that 5 numbers, we have to fill these 4 places. 5p4 we can call. Next one is 120. Second one is 120. This all without repetition only. It's all are without repetition. Whatever the discussion happened, yes, without repetition, we have to go directly. They didn't mention. Next one, 3 will be the first digit. If 3 is the first digit, already this slot is filled. Now we have only 3 places to fill with 5 digits. It's 5 into 4 into 3. We got 60. Okay, we got 60. Now D, this D question is nothing but like A minus C. 3 must come, 3 will be the first digit. So 3 must be there but not first digit, means if you want to do D, it's nothing but option A minus option C directly. 3 must should be required, but 3 in the first digit we don't want, so that we should remove. So 3 must should come means 240. 3 coming at first digit place is, we have 60, that if you remove, that will give, okay, 3 must should be there but not as first digit. That's what we can get, 240 minus this. Or else what we can do, the other way of doing this D question is nothing but, the other way of doing D question is nothing but 3 must should come, not in the first digit, means 3 should be in one among these places. So 3 ways we can fill 3, and still 3 places is there with 4 numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 5 numbers to fill this 4 places, 3 places. So 5 into 4 into 3. Okay, we got 60 into 3, we got 180. Directly you can do like this. 3 cannot be in the first digit. 3 not first digit, right? So that's what we placed in remaining digits. 3 not first digit. So we're taking remaining. So 3 ways we can fill this 3 remaining slots, right? Then this is what? Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 5 numbers, 5 digits to allocate 3 places. So that's what 5, 3, 180 ways. Directly if you want to do, else this is the trick we have to play, my dear friends. Oh. Yeah, now we can see this. 3 must, this is elaborated explanation for your self preparation. I am giving you the straightforward explanation line, and in notes I upload this as well. 3 must should come. Okay, 3 may be first place, second place, third place, or fourth place. Last digit like that. Remaining can be filled in 5p3. That's what 5p3 into 4. You can get that first one. Right. 4 into 5p3. Don't worry, this is nothing but 240. Next, number of 4 digits without 3 means you have 4 slots using 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to fill. Digits available is 5. 4 slots are you have to fill without 3. That's why 5p4. This is nothing but 120. And 3 in the first place means now 3 slots only available, 3 positions available, 5 digits are available, nothing but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say 5p3. It's nothing but 5 into 4 into 3, 60 ways. Whereas D, if you just go through, what happened again is it struct. What is taking revenge on me? Software. Maldeep, no, actually, I just restarted, right? Nothing is going on. things are struck. Actually, we'll definitely discuss that. Mohan, I'll just try to reduce this number of slides as well, so that I think at least there are many slides in this. That's why I'm just trying to remove all this for a while. And we'll see this time, otherwise, okay, we'll do the alternate. So this is what, okay, now if we just go ahead, 4 should come not in the place, but not first. Okay, see, 3 machines should come, but not as a first digit, right? You can take 4-digit number with 3 machines should come minus 4-digit number with 3 at first. We don't want at the first place. What we are doing, we are taking 4-digit number which is required 3 as mandatory, and we are removing that 4-digit number which is having 3 at first place. Okay, that if we do, we know already this is actually, okay, if in terms of number, this is 240, this is 60, we'll get as 180 actually. 3 into 5p3 is nothing but 180. So answer is 180 we have to get. This is one method. Okay. Other method, what I mean to say is, we have 4 positions. 3 should be there, but 3 should not be in the first digit. Means 3 digits should be placed in these 3 places. 3 should not be in the first digit. So 3 can take one among these places. So that's why 3 ways we can say 3 can be in one among these places. Okay, second, third, or fourth, one among these places. That's why 3. And still, okay, you have remaining 3 places which can be occupied by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, suppose 3 is occupied in one among this place. Now here, 5 ways, 4 ways, and 3 ways. 5 into 4 into 3. We'll get 180. This is the method 2, and this is method 1. Somebody asking regarding method 2, you just have a look. Now let's focus on the next question, my dear friends. 3 chemistry, 2 physics, and 4 maths books can be arranged so that same subject is together. 3 chemistry, 2 physics, mathematics is 4, right? Chemistry together means 3 factorial ways. Physics together 2 factorial ways. Okay, maths internally can be arranged in 4 factorial. Chemistry as 1 unit, all as 1 unit. Physics all as 1 unit. Maths all as 1 unit. These 3 units can be arranged in 3 factorial. In the sense, first it may be chemistry, next it may be physics, next maths, or maybe first is physics, next is chemistry, next is maths, like that. This is all internally. Okay, what is the order of books, whether it is chemistry first or physics or maths, according to that. Okay, it's into 3 factorial we have to go. Internal, sir, why that initial 3 factorial is chemistry internally can be arranged in 3 factorial. Physics internally 2 factorial, maths internally 4 factorial. This chemistry altogether 1 unit, physics altogether 1 unit, maths as 1 unit, total 3 units. We can do it in 3 factorial ways. Kalpesh, if it is ABC, my dear friend Kalpesh, okay, we can arrange in 3 factorial ways. ABC, A, B, C, A, C, B, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA, like that. Chemistry, physics, like that. You can map it here. You got 6, not 3, right? Totally. That is why into 3 factorial. This is called 3 factorial. Okay, fine. That's what you can see here. Explanation. Okay, this chemistry internally 3 factorial, physics internally 2 factorial, maths internally 4 factorial. But all those physics, chemistry, maths, putting that in order, that's in fact internally 3 factorial ways. In permutations, it's 3 factorial only. You have 3 people, how many ways to arrange is 3 factorial in permutation. Whereas in combinations, if you have 3, you want to select one, means among 3, 1 people to select, then it is become 3. 3P3, 3C3 is different. With that, you can get it in combination, sir. Now, I think I'm expecting answer from your end. We discussed this stuff already. Guys, what about first one and second one? Repetition is not allowed, repetition is allowed. 3-digit number. Repetition not allowed. This is with repetition allowed. Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition is not allowed. So in this place, we can fill in 4 ways because 0 we cannot use. 0 cannot place here. And then next 4 ways, then 3 ways, right? Hope you got 40. Whereas here, 100, right? Just check once. Yes, 48 and 100. Somebody mentioned 96, 144, 84 factorial. So guys, please try to understand. It's 48 and 100. Somebody given 12 as the answer. Please check it out. It's not 4 into 5 factorial. A lot of things you people are mentioning. So guys, we have only 3-digit number. We have to go with only 3-digit number. Check it out once. What it's a 3-digit number only. See, 4 into 4 into 3. Hundreds place 4 because 0 cannot take that hundreds place. Okay, then tens place can be 0, units place can be 0, that's not a problem. Similarly, if it is repetition, okay. And I thought things are straight. Yeah. And we'll see the next question like, okay, alternate case. The next question is this, you just focus on this. How many 4-digit numbers have at least 1 digit repeated? How many 4-digit numbers have at least one digit repeated? Let's try to work on this question. How many 4-digit numbers have at least one digit repeated? They are asking. People are already giving their answers. Good. 4-digit number. Somebody said it's a total minus digits are repeated. Okay, total minus repetition. Okay, at least one digit repeated, right? Total minus no digit repeated. Total minus no digit repeated. So how to find total is, we know 1000 to 9999. How many numbers are there? Is 9000 only. This is 9000 is the total. I'll give the alternate method to find the total as well. No digit repeated. Now if we go for no digit repeated, we have 4 slots with no digit repeated, means here you have 9 chances. Here again 9 chances, then 8 chances, then 7 chances. 9 because 0 cannot come in the leftmost. No digit repeated. Okay. 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. It's like 81 into 56. If you just subtract from the total number of digits is actually 9000. From that, if you can remove this, then it will help you to calculate, okay, how much is this, right? I hope you got this is 4536, right? So and already 9000 removed will give 4464. Somebody mentioned 6000 something, it's 4464. See, when you are learning something, be happy, okay? Just how you got total 9000, that I'll explain. How it is total 9000 is, yes, total 9000 is, we can say first digit is 9, then 10, then 10, then 10. By default, okay, we can allow repetition. If you want the total, we want repetition. Shivam Kothakar, 4-digit number, right? Shivam Kothakar, 4-digit number. How many numbers from 10 to 19? Let me know. Shivam, how many numbers from 10 to 19? Don't say 9. How many numbers from 10 to 19? What do you got? Is it 9 or 10? 10 to 19 you count. 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. 10 to 19, 1 9 is nothing but 10 numbers. 10 to 99 is 90 numbers. 10 to 99 is 1990. Okay, like that. Same thing, my dear friend Shivam. 10 to 99, how many numbers are there? Is 90. Same thing, okay. 1000 to 9000, 4-digit numbers. 9000 will get. Why this 9 into 9 into? This is without repetition. Without repetition, we should not get, okay, 9 in the 0 in the extreme place. That's why 9 ways. Then here, why 9 is 0 can be taken. Okay, one number is used here. Suppose 7 is used. Then 0 to 9, we have except 7, we have 9 numbers. Then 8 numbers, then 7 numbers. It will decrease 1, 1, 1. Okay, without repetition, right? So 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. We discussed a lot of questions in yesterday's session without repetition. Those who are absent for yesterday's session, please go to the recorded video, then you can understand things better. That's what you can see, total number of digits, and with no repetition, then you subtract, at least one digit repeated will be obtained. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, anonymous secondary, yes, total means we should consider, right. Venkat Reddy, it's a hard work if you want to do 2 digits repeated, 3 digits repeated, 4 digits repeated, 1 digit repeated. What is that? 1 digit that you have to select, and that will be very, very difficult and very much time taken, Venkat Reddy or Omkar. If you want to do other method, it will be definitely time taken. Only one digit repeated, two digits repeated, three digits repeated, four digits repeated. If you want to repeat like that, it will take definitely more time. What is that one digit to be repeated? That you have to select then, okay, what position that is repeating. This all will be a big headache actually. If that method is correct, we agree, but it will definitely take more time to solve the question. Right, we'll discuss one more question, then we'll stop and we'll clarify your doubts and we'll close the session. Just one more question, with that we'll stop the discussion. Let's see about this one. Number of ways in which 7 different sweets can be distributed among 5 children so that each may receive at most sweets. Sorry, 7 sweets. Let's think about this question. It is like you have 7 questions, each question 5 options. It's like 7 questions with each question 5 options. You can put all question first option, all questions second options, like that. Like here also, okay, we can give all sweets to one person. Okay, similar, yes, 7 questions with each question 5 options here. Question number one, sweet one, sweet two, sweet three, sweet four, five, six, seven. First sweet can be given to any of the 5 childrens. Second sweet also we can give it to any of the 5 childrens. Third, fourth, fifth. Okay, one children can get all the sweets also. At most 7 seats they given, right? So 5 power 7. A lot of people they'll go for 7p5, okay, or 7c5. 7c5 is nothing but 35 actually. When repetition is allowed, combinations is not applied directly. Combinations and combinations is not applied directly when repetition is allowed. Have we got 7 power 5, madam? You are giving sweets like 7 questions. Each question, see, first sweet can be given to 5 people. 7c5, 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 6. No, 7c5 is actually 35 only, sir, not 21. 7 into 6 divided by 2, sorry, yeah. 21 only, agreed. 7 into 6 divided by 2, we got 21. Okay. And now certainly, yes, 7c5 is that. Okay. 7c4 is 35 actually. 7c3 also 33. So here we got 5 power 7, not 7 power 5, guys. 7 power 5, how to distribute, sir? That's what, right? Important. See, you have 7 envelopes. You have 5 boxes in front. You have seven envelopes in your hand, and you have 5 post boxes. 7 envelopes. You have to post in 5 boxes. You have 5 boxes in front. You have 7 envelopes. First envelope can be placed in any among that 5 boxes. Second envelopes also you can place in any of the 5 boxes. Right? Third envelope also any of that 5 boxes. At most means maximum 7 sweet one person can take. Yes, here also first question all, okay. Suppose all questions you are taking only option one, A option only. A B C D is the options. All questions you are giving only option A. So option A, how many times you opted is 7 times. At most 7 times. Okay, you can opt one person, one children can get at most 7. See, if you go with option A, every question you give an option A means option A is selected 7 times. Maximum, at most means maximum. Maximum 7 times each option can be taken. That's what. Each children can receive maximum 7 sweets. First sweet also given to children A, second sweet children A, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So one children can get maximum 7. They may get less than 7 also. Maximum. At most means maximum. less than or equal. Okay. Now it's your turn to ask your doubts, and then we'll leave the session, close the session immediately. Okay, guys, if you have doubts, please let me know. 3 envelopes and 4 boxes is nothing but, yeah, fine. One of your friend given same timing, don't worry, for tomorrow. We'll go to 6 to 8:30 or 6 to 9 likewise. Somebody is asking 3 envelopes and 4 boxes means, yes, first envelope 4 ways, second envelope 4 ways, third one 4 ways, it's 4 power 3. If it is 3 envelopes and 4 boxes, it's 4 power 3. Those who are asking that, I hope you got the clarity. Ranking decision making is not at all here, sir. See, there are things where people can learn from your end as well. I discussed more than the stuff whatever it's required for you people in GATE and IES. I given more inputs than that. Don't expect all syllabus in bank exam here. Ranking and all is important for SSJE or bank exam. Don't think about. Kushal, that's the thing in your combinations, sir. We're not yet entered into combinations, right? Shaking hands for the 2 persons are required out of 30. 30 C2. That's combination, sir. That question is already there in the handout. Don't worry. We'll definitely discuss that. Now, guys, immediately just if you have doubt, please raise hand and get it clarified. I want to move for the other session. If you have any doubt, please try to raise hand and get it clarified. Meanwhile, okay, I'll upload this PDF as well for you. Okay, what are discussed today. If you have doubt, raise hand and get it clarified immediately. Bhushan, no, it will take up to 17 to complete probability, all these things. Vivek, you are allowed to talk. Vivek, you are allowed to talk. You raise the hand. You are unmuted. Vivek Surchan Bose. Yeah, see, there are, when repetition is allowed, we can't go ahead with. When repetition is allowed, we can't apply permutations and combinations directly. Just keep in mind that point. When repetition is allowed, we can't apply permutation combination directly. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll see the reminders. I think nobody's raising a hand, waiting for your. Yeah, Vivek, please. Vivek, you unmuted. If you have doubt, please ask. Those who are having doubts, you can raise hand and you get it clarified. Otherwise, we are closing the session. Thank you, guys. Okay, we'll take care. I'll upload this. Around certainty, this last question is the only way you can do. Just think, okay, you need to learn some points. You just try to observe. I given you 3 different ways. Santosh, you are allowed to talk.
Sir, please explain the last question, sir.
This one.
The before one.
Yeah.
1 digit repeated.
Yeah,
I have
madam.
understood the total.
Yeah. No digit
Minus
repeated means.
no digit repeated you have discussed, right?
Yes, madam. Okay. How many digits we have totally? 0
Total
to 9,
10,
10, right?
digits.
We
Yes,
are going here 9 only because 0 cannot use, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now in remaining places 0 can be used.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
So, yeah.
Now 9 are available. Among 0 to 9, 1 to 9, here we are using 1 to 9. Why 9 here is 1 to 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose 7 is used here or 9 is used. Still 1 to 8 and 0, 9 digits are available, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 8 digits are available. Then 7 digits are available.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
That's it.
Thank you, sir.
What subject to follow, they'll decide, okay, and they will update on 17 for you. Akhil, you are allowed to talk.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, please, Akhil.
Sir, last question, the at most 4 sweets అయితే ఎలా చేయాలి, sir?
Most 4 sweets ante Fine, okay. They given at most 4 for each person. Then we have to start. Okay, fine, we'll see. Maximum 4 one person can get. Then you should distribute like, sir, you have 5 children, right? Then what will
Yes.
happen? Okay, you can take first children. For maximum 4, right?
Yes, sir. 4.
Okay, what you can do? Still children 1, children 2, children 3, children 4, children 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maximum 4 means suppose this candidate is getting 0, 0, 0, 3 and 4, or 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4. Like this you should go.
Okay, trial and error method, sir.
It's not calendar. We have to distribute all. By distributing all, okay, maximum 4 or then 3. Then maximum 4 means they can get 3 also. They can get 2, they can get 1, they can get 0 also.
Yes,
All
sir.
those things we should work.
Okay, sir.
That will take definitely more time.
More time,
That
yes.
is the approach. Yeah.
Yes, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. We'll just upload this PDF for you after writing all the things. Okay. Thank you.